Do you have sweet potato at your house? Then make this recipe and be surprised with this result. We'll use 1 kilogram of sweet potato and let's slice it this way to cook it. If you want to peel it off already or cut it another way, you can do it, okay? It's not gonna mix the recipe. Let's put it all in a pan that fits everything and add hot water, all right, to accelerate the cooking. Let's cook it until it's very soft, guys, and then we are going to take the peel out this way, as you can see on the video, because the potato is very warm, okay? But if you want to peel it out or peel it off before, you can do it. Now let's smash all of these sweet potato, okay, using a fork. If you have a mixer, you can do it as well, but here I used the fork. Then let's add 4 eggs. Go mixing it until it's all together. Now 3 tablespoons of butter. Tell me down here what city you're watching this recipe from. 300 grams of condensed milk. It's giving me water in my mouth, guys, just remembering this recipe. 100 grams of grated coconut in flakes. And don't forget to put a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix it all and our recipe is practically done. Let's put it all in a greased form with oil or butter. And the form, you decide the one you prefer. Spread it for all over the corners, guys, and take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes or until you see that it's all brown like this one in the video. And just take a look at it, guys. It's wonderful, right? It's very crunchy on top of it, but very soft and fluffy on the inside. Every time I make this recipe, everybody congrats me, seriously. And when I tell people that it was made with sweet potato, nobody believes me because it doesn't taste like sweet potato, but it has an amazing texture. Make it at your house and I'm pretty sure that you and all of your family is gonna love it. The sweet potato that you have in your fridge, you don't wanna eat it, right? You can do this recipe for your breakfast, for your afternoon snack and surprise everyone. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you watched it until here, it means you liked it a little bit. So go rating us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is always super relevant for us. I'm gonna leave you guys right now with this wonder giving water in everybody's mouth. Kisses and see you guys on the next video. Bye!